Social and economic implications, topic 1.2.16. So the social implications. There's some negative aspects which come with the development of technology that impact social situations. For example, it is possible to manipulate sound, pictures, or video to fool with your sense to experience something that has never happened. Someone with wrong intentions could blackmail another person using digitally altered video, thus impacting social interactions between human and machine. Another problem that has risen due to the interaction of human and machine is privacy risk. Many personal things such as photos or documents are being stored onto devices constantly, and without proper protection, personal data could be leaked for the world to see. Other social issues that are prevalent due to technology are identity theft, cyberbullying, and communication breakdown. So the economic implications. Economic divide is becoming more prevalent thanks to the introduction of digital devices. Things like laptops, tablets, and smartphones are part of everyday life for the fortunate, but only a dream for many more. Technological change also has an impact on income distribution. Workers who have been displaced by technological advances may find it difficult to become re-employed as they lack the required skill of new jobs. An example of this happening is the Hena Hotel in Japan. It is the world's first hotel run by robots and is the largest concentration of robots in a single hotel. Around 90% of the workforce is robots, which includes the front desk, right to the porter. The only place where the robots are not being used is the security personnel.